Hi, this is Eddie with Access Property Management. Make sure you hit the like button or subscribe. This is just a quick video on court. So last Friday, day before Labor Day, we were in court to start the eviction process on a couple of non-paying tenants. The court process takes a long time, especially in Grand Rapids. Kentwood area is even longer. So locally, it's not a quick thing to go through anymore. When it was our turn in court, if the tenant doesn't show up and they're not served in person, then the attorney can ask me certain questions about the condition of the home and what the balance is. Is the tenant in the military, or are they capable of answering questions in a court of law? For two other management companies, one that has a number of apartment complexes throughout Grand Rapids, and then another local management company, their property managers were not present, which baffled my mind. So one of the cases, the judge threw out altogether. And this would have been the second court case, because you have one court case and then you go through that same court case again 7 days later. So Friday and then Friday again. On that second one, the manager never showed up. The attorney for that client was there and they couldn't ask them the questions, and so the case got dismissed. So essentially that owner, they probably weren't paid for 2 months, because it takes right around 6 weeks to get a court case and actually go to that first court case, but the manager never showed up, so it was thrown out. So that owner now is probably out 2+ months and they have to refile in court. The second one, the tenant was served in person, but they failed to show up, so the judge would have been willing to ask the manager to answer those certain questions about this tenant, and then they would have got a judgment in favor of the owner or property manager. But again, no manager to be found. What I'm trying to say is ask around when you call other management companies, do they show up to court on your behalf? But do they actually show up to court on your behalf? We hire an attorney, so our attorney's there, and then one of us from Access is also on the Zoom call or in court to answer any questions if needed. We do not charge for that. A lot of management companies do, but just when you're asking questions, make sure you're asking the right questions, because whoever those owners are, they're probably out another 2 months of rent, and it's not a good thing. But that's all today. Thank you for watching. This is Eddie with Access Property Management.